In this video, I'll guide you through how to conduct a Webex meeting. Whether you're connecting with colleagues, hosting a webinar, or catching up with friends, Webex makes online meetings a breeze. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you're confident and prepared to start your meeting effortlessly. First, let's head over to webex.com. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a clean interface designed to make navigation straightforward. If you haven't already signed in, make sure to do so using your Webex credentials. This will allow you to access all the features necessary for hosting a meeting. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Here, you'll want to click on Meetings. This section is your hub for scheduling, managing, and starting your meetings. It's conveniently located to ensure you can quickly get to where you need to be. Now that you're in the Meetings section, it's time to initiate your meeting. Look for the Start a Meeting button. This is your gateway to connecting with your participants. Clicking on Start a Meeting will open up the meeting interface. Here, you'll have access to all the tools and settings you'll need to conduct a successful session. With the interface open, you have a chance to make any final adjustments before you officially begin. You can test your audio and video settings to ensure everything is working correctly. Check your camera placement and microphone levels so you're seen and heard clearly by all participants. This is a great opportunity to familiarize yourself with any additional features you might want to use during your meeting, such as screen sharing or recording. Once everything is set, you're ready to start. By clicking Start a Meeting again, you'll officially launch your session. Your participants can now join and you can begin your meeting. Remember, the key to a smooth meeting is preparation, so take some time beforehand to ensure all your materials are ready and any necessary links or documents are easily accessible. Throughout your meeting, you'll have various tools at your disposal to enhance the experience. Use the chat feature to communicate silently with participants or moderate questions during a presentation. The share screen option is perfect for walking attendees through a presentation or demonstrating a product. Don't forget the recording feature if you need a record of the meeting for future reference. To conclude your meeting, simply click the End Meeting button when you're finished. This will close the session for all participants. It's always a good idea to thank your attendees for joining and remind them of any follow-up actions or future meetings. And that's it, you've successfully conducted a Webex meeting. With practice, you'll find these steps become second nature, allowing you to focus more on the content of your meetings and less on the technical details. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you feel more prepared to host your Webex meetings with confidence.